Gathering power for better machines. JULITE Machinery 40Z Double Gravity Table Grain Cleaning Machine. Double gravity tables dust removal system, which can remove impurities like dust, straw, and mildew grains. High capacity, high purity. Patented 30M elevator with ultra-low linear speed lifting technology and self-weight unloading design to reduce crushing rate less than 1/10,000th. Grain enters the upper gravity table. Under the action of wind and vibration, light impurities float on the surface of grain, then flow to the backside for discharge. Light impurities like dust and husks are pumped into the cyclone and discharged by the rotary ash valve. Grain flows into the lower gravity table for secondary selection to remove the scum, bud, insects, and mildewed grains. Air volume is zonally controlled to achieve the best performance. Byproducts enter the vibratory tank to separate the usable and rejects. The impurities outlet at the same side for convenient operation. With wide and replaceable gravity table, it can be used for different grain cleaning. The double gravity table structure offsets the recoil force and realizes self-balancing. That makes it more stable and space-saving. The equipment adopts high-quality raw materials and components to achieve high performance, good quality, and low maintenance cost. A pulse dust collector is connected to reduce dust emissions. Vibration grater adopts one-body double box design, which removes large and small impurities, meanwhile improving screening rate and enlarging capacity up to 30 tons per hour. Various specifications of sieves can meet different grain processing requirements. Turnable outlet saves time and labor when changing the sieves. Choose JULITE. It means you get a professional grain cleaning solution. Clean grain, healthier food.